Dental Institute at King's College London is one of the largest in the world, and we are a centre of excellence for a number of research areas. Dentistry is dominated by treatments and thinking that, on the whole, are not based very much on biology. So what regenerative dentistry is trying to teach the new generation of dentists is that all this exists and give them a flavour of what we can do now and what is likely to be done in the future in clinical practice.
When you have a problem in the clinics, we often try to sort it out with a synthetic material or a way just to repair tissues around the mouth. We can never regenerate tissue in the mouth. Looking at it and looking at the future of dentistry, I decided that stem cells would be a very nice field to start researching. So that's when I decided to come here.
I had actually read a lot of work that was being done here, and I was amazed at how much the field had advanced. Almost every good paper that would come out had some connection with King's.
We became a centre of excellence, which essentially means that we're recognised within the university as a group of people that are carrying out research at the very highest level. And it also gives us more of an identity outside. All universities have departments, but to become a centre means something a bit more than that. From the 100 or so bodies we have in the department carrying our research, the biggest group of those are PhD students. A number of PhD students start every year, and we pride ourselves on the training we give them, not just in their research projects, but in addition to that, we provide courses ourselves that teach how to understand and read scientific literature, how to distinguish between a good piece of science and one that perhaps is not so good. There is a major interest in young, recently qualified dentists, particularly from overseas, outside the UK, to learn about the latest research, particularly in stem cells and regenerative biology. And that's a great thing. You know, we have fantastic people coming in. We try and create a friendly atmosphere. The most important thing in a PhD is to enjoy what you're doing. For all student courses, really. If you're not enjoying it, you're not going to get the best out of it, and we're not going to get the best out of you. So it's a very friendly place. We have lots of social activities for students, for everybody. We'd like to think that we create an environment where our students can really blossom and move on and take that message wherever they come from.